Okay, so we're watching Yo Gabba Gabba, which is my daughter's favorite thing in the whole world. And here's what will happen. She'll come up here and she'll dance and play a little bit. Well, let's see if we can get her. Come here, sweet pea. Look, it's Gabba. So what will happen is she'll stand here and watch, but she is terrified of Jack Black's mini bike, which is the cutest fear ever. And what she's going to do is run here, and then he's going to start talking, and she's going to run back here to hide. So.
That sounds like some new friends now. Hey, Jack. I think I better let you know that we're running really low on gas. No, but I don't really know where we are.
It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. It's just a mini bike. Okay, let me show you what she's afraid of.
Mini bike?
I mean, I admit the whole thing is kind of scary, but it's not that scary. It's not that scary. Hi, Taya. Are you okay? Yeah. Oh, you want to see?